Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching us how to crack gum. So I've been having this video request for a while now, and I'll be showing us how to do it today. So first you need to get your gum, any of your favorite gum, any gum of your choice. So you get your gum, and then first you're going to chew the gum. So you're going to chew it, and you're going to make it soft. So after chewing the gum and making it soft, the next thing you need to do is to use your tongue to fold the gum. But as you're folding it, you're not folding it completely. You're going to leave little space in the middle so that when you bite that part, it will make that crack sound. That pa pa whatever. So you're not using your front teeth, you're not using your side teeth, you're using the big part of your teeth to crack it. So what you're going to do is you're folding it like this, as if you want to, as if you want to blow bubbles, as if you want to pop it. That's how you're going to, like this, and then you pull it back here, and then you crack. So for me, I use the side of my tongue to fold it to save me the stress of bringing it here, bringing it back here. But if you're just learning, you can start with the front of your tongue till you're used to it. Then you can move it to this place. So slowly, one at a time, if you're just starting. So once you're good, you don't really need to fold the gum with your tongue anymore. You can just use your tongue to roll the gum. As you're chewing, you're rolling the gum. As you're chewing, you're rolling the gum. As you're rolling the gum with your tongue, it's going to leave some space in the gum, and then when you bite that part, that's when you hear that crack sound. So it's actually very easy. But if you're cracking for the first time, you actually need to take it slow, because if you don't take it slow, if you want to rush it, you're actually going to injure yourself by biting your tongue. So you actually have to be slow, take it slow, and then you just use the front of your tongue, fold the gum, put it back here, bite the gum, and then you're going to hear the crack sound. If you don't hear it immediately, just keep practicing, and with time you will be able to crack the gum. Okay, if you want to start with the side of your tongue, fine, no problem. Or if you can bend your tongue to this part so you don't have to bring the gum here, put it back, bring it here, put it back, then fine, no problem. But you have to actually you have to be gentle with it so you don't bite your tongue, like I said. So you just keep using this part of your tongue to either fold or roll the gum. So as you're doing that, you're leaving small space in the middle, like I said, and the more you chew on the gum, the more it cracks. When the teeth gets to that middle part, that space in the middle part, once it bites on it, you would hear the crack sound. So it is actually that easy. So I can use my right, I can use my left. So in cracking gum, your tongue and your teeth have to work together. I'm actually just starting. I'm still a learner. So maybe for the professionals, you don't need your tongue. But for me, I actually need my tongue to crack the gum, because I have to fold and turn the gum, and I can only do that with my tongue. So let me know if you find this video helpful. Let me know if you understand, or you still want me to make another video on this. I would do my best to make it very easy for you to learn, but do not forget some important parts of cracking gum, which is number one, you're not using your front or the side teeth, you're using the big part of your teeth. And number two, you're using your tongue. Your tongue and your teeth have to work together. So either you're using the front part of your tongue to blow bubbles, just little bubbles, or to fold the gum, or you're using the side of your tongue to either fold the gum or to turn the gum. So as you're folding, as you're turning, you're chewing. But if you're starting for the first time, take it slow so you don't bite your tongue. So you just keep turning or folding and then you're chewing. So it is actually that simple. Like, it is super easy and super simple. So if you're entering our channel for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, and also do not forget to share the video. Thank you for joining our family, and we hope to see you on our channel again. This shouldn't be the last time. Thank you. So I'll be posting more videos on ASMR gum cracking videos because I've been having so many requests on that. So many people want more of the ASMR gum cracking video. So if you need another ASMR, if you're interested in some other ASMR, just let us know in the comment section, or you can easily reach out to me on Instagram, Empress Blessing Bassey. That's my Instagram handle, and let us know the video you would love to see on our channel. Sorry. So thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Also, please do not forget to share the video. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye. And yes, you can also crack the gum with your mouth closed. Bye.